What's up, fellow YouTubers? Alright, what we got going on today is a little demonstration of the engine I refurbished about a month ago. If you happen to catch that video, it was a little 50cc engine with the all-in-one cylinder, where the cylinder and head are all one casting. It went bad, so I thought I'd take it upon myself to refurb the little guy. So I showed in that video how I checked the roundness of the cylinder, etc., etc. I broke the case apart, make sure there were no shrapnel in the bottom half of it. It was all cleaned up, reassembled, and then I just ordered the old school cylinder and head. Replaced the studs where the bolts used to go to hold the one piece on. Gasket kit. Now this one's a 50cc, but I'm sure this plan will work for anyone that has the 80 that has the cylinder problem. And if you can't find the parts, you can revert back to the old school method as long as you get your studs, because you're going to need those, and the correct piston size for the high hole, low hole, or piston A or B, whatever they're referring to it these days. So anyway, I just thought I'd share that if I ever use the little motor, I'd demonstrate if it worked out well or not. So let's see if this little dude will fire up. Alright, back in business. Runs just fine. A little cold. I haven't really went out and warmed it up or anything. But if you are a person that has the one-piece cylinder on your 50cc or an 80, and you can't find a one-piece cylinder to replace it if you have a problem, you can revert back to the single cylinder head and stud ensemble and get yourself back out motoring once again. Now if you got the old YD100, I don't know if yeah, they make a two-piece cylinder for that little guy. I haven't delved into that. But if you are a 50cc or an 80cc person, you can resurrect it that way. Alright, well, just thought I'd share. Take care of yourself out there, and yep, that's all I got for today.